Welcome to the world of budgeting, where financial freedom begins with a plan. Today, we'll explore the basics of creating a budget and taking control of your finances. Step 1. Assess your income and expenses. Start by tallying up all your sources of income. This includes your salary, freelance work, or any side hustles you may have. Next, gather all your bills, receipts, and bank statements to get a clear picture of your monthly expenses. This includes everything from rent or mortgage payments to groceries, utilities, and entertainment. Step 2. Set financial goals. Once you have a clear understanding of your income and expenses, it's time to set some financial goals. Whether it's saving for a vacation, paying off debt, or building an emergency fund, make sure your goals are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Step 3. Track your spending. Now comes the nitty-gritty part, tracking your spending. Create categories for your expenses, such as housing, transportation, food, and entertainment, and record every penny you spend. Step 4. Make adjustments as needed. As you track your spending, you may notice areas where you can cut back or reallocate funds. Be flexible and willing to make adjustments to your budget as needed to stay on track with your financial goals. Step 5. Celebrate your progress. Don't forget to celebrate your financial victories along the way. Whether it's paying off debt, reaching a savings goal, or sticking to your budget for a month, take the time to acknowledge your progress and reward yourself. Remember, creating a budget is not about restricting yourself. It's about empowering yourself to make informed financial decisions and achieve your dreams. Start today and take control of your financial future.